Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your existing account on Krisp AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in krisp.ai and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Krisp AI. In order to sign into your existing account, click on the sign in button at the top right corner, and now you can either continue using your Google, your Microsoft account, or you can also enter your email address. After entering your email, tap on the sign in button and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your account. So just check your inbox and you will find this verification code. Just type in this verification code within the given screen and now you will directly be logged into your account. You can log into the application if you have downloaded it by pretty much following the same steps. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Krisp AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.